Dive into the adventure of the Baltoru, a place where the earth meets the sky, where the peaks of the Karakoram range reach towards the heavens. With each step, a new vista unfolds, a land of extremes, of stories untold, a journey that stirs the soul and the heart. Every traveler has a dream place they wish to visit. We offer a variety of services from transport to quality accommodations and engaging sightseeing activities. That's why we are sure to go above and beyond to make it a reality. The trek starts with mesmerizing landscape of Askali, which is the gateway to the Baltoru. It is undoubtedly one of the great walks of the world that provides some of the most jaw-dropping mountain scenery of the planet. Our expert guides, porters and kitchen team will make your journey hassle-free with good food and comfortable camping. We at Apricot Tours welcome trekkers from all over the world to experience a thrilling blend of trekking and sightseeing.